In today's video, I will teach you how to change color of someone's hair in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click on File in the top left corner and select Open to import the image that you want to edit. Now we're going to select the hair area. Use one of the selection tools to isolate the hair area. If you choose the Quick Selection tool, click on the Quick Selection tool in the toolbar, then paint over the hair to select it. Then adjust the brush size as needed. And for more precision, you can use the lasso tool to draw around the hair. And you can also refine the selection by going to Select, then select and mask if the hair has complex edges or fine details. To refine the selection, simply go to Select in the top menu, then choose Refine Edge to remove the selection, specifically if the hair has fine strands. Then use the Refine Edge brush to paint over the edges of the hair to ensure a clean selection. Now we're going to create a hue or saturation adjustment layer. With the hair area selected, simply go to Layer, then New Adjustment Layer, then select Hue and Saturation. This will create a new layer specifically for adjusting the color of the selected areas. And to adjust the hair color, go to the Hue and Saturation Adjustment Layer settings, then use the Hue slider to change the hair color. Moving the slider will cycle through different colors. And you can adjust the saturation and lightness sliders to refine the color and brightness to your preference. If needed, use a layer mask to further refine the color change. To do this, click on the layer mask thumbnail in the Layers panel, then use a soft brush with black or white to paint on the mask to hide or reveal areas where the color change should be adjusted. For more precise control, you can apply additional adjustments such as color balance or selective color by going to Layer, then New Adjustment Layer to fine-tune the color change. And once you're satisfied with the color change, go to File in the top menu, then select Export As, and choose your desired file format, for example, JPEG or PNG, then click Save to download the edited image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.